Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Highline in the long wheelbase format. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely Indium Grey colour, this van features LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and helping you park and manoeuvre, there's also a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels coming in a 5-spoke design. Approaching the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate. The vehicle also features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors, allowing you to park and manoeuvre with confidence. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes fully ply-lined as well as having a rubber floor covering. Load lashing rings can be found dotted across the load area floor, and access into the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. Steps on either side allow easy access, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up in the cab itself we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver, and next to this we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. In the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This includes inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find some of the climate controls. There's 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, and for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Highline in the long wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.